Miller.
Alright, YouTubers, this is the AlphasAirsoft staff. This is Jake. Put down the rifle, Jake. He's a little shy. You have to hit him.
Yeah.
He's our machine gunner.
Look at his pretty face.
Josh, he's our techie. Hi.
Face kittens.
Hi.
Face
kittens. Hi. And this is Miller. He's gonna be Recon. Wow, you actually have to back up a little bit. Anyway,
I take up the screen.
this is part of the squad. This isn't everybody, but these are most of the sergeants.
Face kittens.
Oh, I'm a sergeant.
No.
You're gonna be one of them.
Techies ain't got no.
Anyway, we'll talk to you later. I'll try to get videos of the rest of the staff, and I'll talk to you later, YouTubers. Alpha 1, over and out.